The 2025 Kia K4 is a compact sedan that steps in to replace the outgoing Forte, marking a significant evolution in Kia's design and technology language. With its fastback-style silhouette and bold exterior styling, the K4 is visually more appealing than its predecessor, featuring vertical LED headlights and taillights that lend it a sporty and modern appearance. The proportions and body lines are sharp and clean, helping it stand out in the typically conservative compact sedan segment. Inside, the K4 is equally impressive. The interior is dominated by a sleek dashboard with nearly 30 inches of digital display space that includes dual 12.3-inch screens, one for the instrument cluster and another for the infotainment system. This setup is intuitive and driver-focused, offering wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto as standard. Higher trims bring more premium touches like ambient lighting, a panoramic sunroof, heated and ventilated front seats, and a Harman Kardon sound system. Even in the base model, the quality of materials and attention to detail is notably high for the segment. Kia has also packed the K4 with the latest in safety and convenience features. Standard driver assistance technologies include lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, and adaptive cruise control. The GT line trim introduces more advanced features, such as blind spot monitoring with collision avoidance, a surround view camera, and level 2 semi-autonomous driving capabilities using Kia's highway driving assist. When it comes to performance, the K4 offers two powertrain options. The standard engine is a 2.0-liter naturally aspirated four-cylinder producing 147 horsepower, paired with a continuously variable transmission. This setup is smooth and efficient but lacks the punch many drivers might want during acceleration or highway merging. For those looking for more excitement, the GT line trim offers a 1.6-liter turbocharged four-cylinder engine making 190 horsepower, mated to an 8-speed automatic transmission. While this version delivers better acceleration, some reviewers have noted a degree of turbo lag and a less refined ride due to the sport-tuned suspension. The K4 handles predictably with well-weighted steering and good stability, though it doesn't aim to be particularly sporty. It's more about comfort and ease of use, which will suit the needs of most drivers in this category. Ride quality is generally good, though road noise can be more noticeable than in some competitors. Fuel economy is competitive, with the base engine expected to return around 31 mpg combined, and the turbo variant slightly less. Overall, the Kia K4 is a strong contender in the compact sedan market, especially for buyers prioritizing style, technology, and value. It might not thrill performance enthusiasts, but it offers a refined and well-equipped driving experience at a reasonable price. With its bold design, advanced tech, and comprehensive safety features, the K4 feels like a forward-thinking sedan that can meet the needs of modern drivers without breaking the bank. It represents a smart evolution for Kia as the brand continues to redefine expectations in every category it enters.